BPO company provides flexible and scalable back office and call center services for travel companies that help clients deliver exceptional customer experiences at a cost saving up to 60%. From marketing your company across multiple channels to assisting your customers with bookings and reservations to manage traveler information, refunds and exchanges, a professional BPO will transform your businesses. High-value customer interactions will continue to be a key for travel-related businesses as they bounce back from recent closures and restrictions. Executives are turning to a trusted travel and tourism BPO partner to help them keep up with customers as they start traveling again. This is done at a significantly lower cost and risk that will direct employment of an in-house team. A BPO partner enables clients to effectively retain customers and strengthen their market share in this cutthroat industry. So what are the outsourcing benefits for travel, tourism and leisure companies? Let's discuss now. The very first one is capability and performance. A positive experience can make or break your travel business. In fact, 80% of customers will stop doing business with you if they receive a poor customer experience. A BPO company has a strong focus on meeting the needs of your customers, responding to their travel and other booking queries at the fastest time possible. BPO professionals also help them through the process of negotiating prices and booking their next holiday. They maintain a large talent pool of highly trained resources, including specialists, automation, and intelligent teams to perform customer service and easier checkout. This ensures your customers are able to book their holiday when they want it and across all screens and platforms. A professional BPO company also provides enough support in case of resolution escalations to solve your customers' concerns quickly and efficiently. Second benefit is scalability and flexibility. Companies in travel and leisure sector need to remain agile in order to sustainably grow their businesses. Employing an in-house team of customer support can be expensive and slow down business response to shift in market demands and peak travel seasons. BPO companies have demonstrable experience providing rapidly scalable travel BPO solutions, eliminating the risk associated with direct employment. BPO offers flexible engagement models so clients can outsource on their own terms from a fully managed operations to collaborative model. Third benefit is innovation and security. Consumers expect convenience at all stages of their travel and leisure experience. This includes the researching process to purchasing tickets to the actual service. Having the right people engaging with your customers is certainly important, but it's technology that will truly elevate and protect end-to-end experience. BPO teams can help you leverage artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning to provide 24/7 chat support. Large amounts of customer information is exchanged during the purchasing and booking processes, so it's more important than ever to fortify your operations with strict protocols. A professional BPO takes information security seriously, and their services are backed by most stringent compliance standards. If you're looking to outsource some of the functions to a reliable contact center, I recommend you to consider MV Solutions BPM. This company provides outsourcing services and is located in Hyderabad, India. MV Solutions provide a much needed talent pool for organizations around the world. This company has a vision to revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers with state-of-the-art inbound and outbound contact center services. If you want to make your business profitable by acquiring new clients and offering best-in-class customer service, then get in touch with MV Solutions BPM now. Visit their website at www.mvsolutionsbpm.com.